In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new layer in Adobe Express. If you're building a design and want to stack graphics, shapes, or text, layers are how you keep everything organized and editable. Adobe Express treats each piece of content you add as its own layer, which makes it easy to move, style, and manage parts of your design without affecting the rest. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser or the mobile app. Give it a moment to load your home screen. From here, open an existing design you want to update. Working inside a project you already have lets you see exactly how new layers stack and interact with your current layout. Once your design is open, look for the option to add content. This might appear as a plus button or an add content panel, depending on your view. Clicking it opens up a library of things you can bring into your project, everything from photos and icons to shapes and text. Each item you add becomes a new layer on the canvas. Choose elements to browse ready-made graphics. This section is perfect for adding visual accents that sit on their own layer. When Elements opens, you'll see categories and suggestions to explore. Now click a shape to add it to your canvas. The moment it appears, it's a brand new layer you can move independently. Drag it to position, use the corner handles to resize, and rotate if needed. You can also change its color and style in the editing options so it matches your brand or palette. If it overlaps with other items, don't worry. Layers maintain their order so you can keep arranging as you build. To add text as another layer, choose Add Your Text. Adobe Express will place a text box on the canvas that functions as its own layer, just like the shape. This keeps your typography separate from your graphics, which is great for quick edits later. Click into the text box and enter your text. As you type, you'll see it update live. You can adjust the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment in the Properties panel to get the exact look you want. Try positioning the text over your shape for a clean, layered composition. The snapping guides will help you align things neatly. That's it. By adding a shape and then text, you've created multiple layers in your design. Remember, every element you add is its own layer, giving you flexibility to fine-tune without disrupting the rest. Adobe Express also saves as you go, so your changes stay safe while you experiment.